Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. I'm Dr. Dimpy Mahanta. I am a faculty in the Department of Psychology, Cotton University. Prior to joining Cotton in the year 2015, I have been working in Delhi University as a permanent faculty for almost 8 years. And teaching is my passion. I love engaging in research. I do guide my PhD scholars, and I also provide counseling services. Dear friends, we all are going through an extremely challenging period. Never in our lifetime we actually thought that a day would come when we all will be inside our houses. Everything else will come to a standstill. COVID-19 virus, as you all are aware, is an extremely dangerous virus. Its transmission rate is so high. Our government is trying its best. Day in and day out, our COVID warriors are trying to serve us. And our Ministry of Health and the entire team, in fact, are working so hard to contain the spread of the virus. And all that we common citizens are expected to do is to follow the government's recommendation, be indoors, maintain social distancing, and practice hygiene and self-quarantine. I understand it is not going to be easy for all of us to cope up with this uncertain times. For the last 10 days, I have been involved in counseling. I am a part of Indian Academy of Health Psychology, and practicing psychologists, trained psychologists from all across the country, we all have come together on a common platform, providing free counseling services to people in distress. So it is very important to approach the health care professionals if you require any kind of support. Don't hesitate. Our body's homeostasis has gotten disturbed. So dear ladies, all that you are supposed to do right now is to set a pattern, to establish a pattern and design a schedule for yourself, a set time to wake up in the morning, a set time to go off to bed. And 2 hours prior to going off to sleep, please don't check your mobiles or any electronic gadgets, switch them off. And once you wake up in the morning, kindly don't rush to check the number of COVID-19 cases detected. You can keep that task towards the later part of the day. You need to wake up in the morning, be positive, engage in positive thinking, because your frame of mind, your mindset plays a very important role. Engage in mindfulness, meditation, and breathing exercises during the day. That's why, because that will help you maintain a perspective, develop a perspective. You will be able to live in the present moment. You all know that present moment is inevitable. Set aside some time to connect with your friends and family members if they're far away from you. Staying connected helps you in release of your, pent-up feelings also, because when you engage in conversations with your family members, near and dear ones, you feel good. So please stay connected. Another thing that I want you to do is be expressive. It is social distancing, it is physical distancing, it is not emotional distancing. Don't hesitate to express your feelings to your loved ones. Thankfully, viruses don't spread through voices. So that ways we are pretty lucky. Try to engage yourself in physical activity, because physical activity helps in release of happy hormones, which we call as endorphins, and that enhances your immune system again. So try to keep some time for physical exercises. Try to set aside me time. Ask your spouse to help you out in a way that they can take care of the kids for 1.5 hours to 2 hours. During the time, you can engage in hobbies, you can engage in painting, you can engage in singing, you can practice aerobics, you can do anything that you love doing. Also, maintain a healthy diet. A healthy, balanced diet is very important. And besides that, try bonding with your children. Because many a times children are also experiencing, let me tell you, they're also going through a tough phase. They were never locked up inside the house 24/7, not meeting their friends. So whenever they're engaging in any kind of hobbies, or for that matter, craft activities, I have a daughter. So I also try engaging myself with her. I help her out whenever she is doing some craft activities. She feels happy. We sing together, we dance together. So that way it helps in bonding with the kids. Lastly, remember that you are not alone. We all are there for you. All the psychologists and psychiatrists are there. Anytime you feel the need to talk to us, you can contact us. So feel free to give me a call if at all you require counseling. I'm there for you. Take care and wish you all the best.